Hi, this is Dave Thomas. I'd like to give you this week's update on Wex. Remember from the last threading episode that Wex is a system that allows us to run Elixir code in our local browser. So there's a back-end Elixir server and then a front-end running in our browser. And it lets us do all the kind of things that you'd want to do in IEX. It has command completion and it also has built-in help. Here I type tab and up pops the help for zip. So it's all pretty cool. The problem is obviously that just like real IEX, if I wanted to start typing functions, I'd have to put into a module, and then I end up typing, def module, etc., which is a pain in the butt. So this week we have the Wex sandbox. And the Wex sandbox is the ability to type Elixir code here into an editor. So here let's do def module fib do end. And you'll notice down the bottom here that we've actually compiled the fib module into our Wex environment, and the result was nil. The reason is that def module actually returns a value, so if I return 1, 2, 3 from this, you'll see down the bottom here that we're actually now returning 1, 2, 3. So we're just executing the code in here. We can do some cool things. So for example, if I say def fib, notice we have a warning associated with that line. It's actually quite a funky warning. It's saying that there's a bodiless clause provided for non-existent def fib. That means we've written a function head and no function body, but we can go through and fix that. So we'll do fib 0, do 0, and now we have no warnings. We can duplicate that line, and that's going to give us another warning because previous clause matches. We have 2 fib 0s, but let's fix that. We'll do fib 1 is 1. As this is fib n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2, and so obviously it's going to be fib n. So now our compilation errors go away. Down the bottom here I can run that by just saying fib dot fib, I don't know, let's say 10, and we get 55, which is kind of what we expect. That's kind of nice. As well as this, we also have the ability to get help here, so io.put test, and if I do that, then there's my help. And so that's basically where we've got to now. Undefined function I will put a 0 because we don't have any arguments on it. So this is working. It's pretty cool. There are quite a few little layout bugs, but I am crap at CSS and HTML. What's coming next is completion in the sandbox window, and then hopefully I'm going to add in mix integration, so that you can use this not just on little sandbox things, but also on real projects. So that's it. You can download this from GitHub, pragdave/wex, W-E-X. Feel free to get involved. And in particular, if somebody feels like doing a Elixir mode for the ACE in-browser editor, that would be really nice. All right, see you later. Bye.